Hello, traders. I already made my money here on my other eval, um, or my other PA, which is this one. So I made 1485, which is basically my profit target for that account. So what I want to be doing is I have several other PAs that I need to get online. Um, One of them is on, I believe on. Let me see here. Let me just pay for one. I haven't paid for one. So while this is going down, see what's going on. Again, this is the 5 minute coming off here. So you see here, do we have a break here? Not really. So we had a break. Okay. So we had a break here. Came back. There's your fair value gap on a 5 minute, basically bouncing off. Now here's the what we call the IB low, right? So we have an IB low. It hasn't. No, it's 1026 yet. So it's really not established yet because it can go further down. You can see where we're at here in terms of the deviation. The VWAP. We're at the -1 right now, right? -1. So again, I'm done trading this account. Let me see if I can pay for another account. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Let me show my chart. So again, disclaimer: I do not provide any type of signal services whatsoever. And let me show the screen so at least you see what I was talking about. Okay, here we go. So, anyways, like I said, these are fair value gaps going to the downside. Looks like we have a down thing. Look at this. We're down 3.7, 3.6%. So be careful when you trade. Why? Because if it gets at 7, then they're going to halt. So it's been a really bearish market right now. So here, you see we're going further down. Looks like this is too. Again, let's see if we're going to create another lower low here for the IB, for the initial balance. Um, It did try to go back up here at now 930, bounced off the 55 EMA. So, with a mid band, it's continue coming down. I would, this kind of, I guess the 5%, you may want to stop trading because that's when they have the limit, stop order or the circuit breaker, what they call. So let's see what they can do here. It's around 3 more minutes. And while you're watching that, again, I'll be see if we can buy. I pay for a PA here because I was so busy that I forgot to sign it. Let me see. Where's the signatures? There we are. Yep, it's going further down. That's why I might be leery to trade because you don't know when they hit that. They're gonna hit the limit order. I might have to look at the CME site and see what the limit order is right now. CME limit order. CME limit down. Limit down. Limit order. Limit down. Price limits on. Let me see, what is it now? So we're looking at equity, and we are looking at, let me see, where is the NASDAQ, NQ. There we are. So we're H5. Let me see what market what contract we are at here. Look at that. That's going down. Let me see here. This is the daily. We are on M2025M. Okay, there it is. So the limits here is basically price limit down only is around 173,700. So basically 17,000. Yeah. So it's going to be 17,379. That's but so basically that's where it is. 17,379. So let's look at where that is. Oh wow, we're not that far off. Oh no, we are. So we're looking at 17,379. So the limit's going to be down here. Yeah, we're not that far off. Tell you the truth, when I did this extension here, if it gets down there, like -2 extension and the on the IB extension, you're getting really close. 17,379. So it's around right here. 379. Right here. That's where your limit is. It's not that far. See, look at this. Price is approaching. That's really scary. Look at this. Yep. He's going to try to hit that 1.25. Let's see if he's going to bounce off that 1.25 and come back up. Because right now, I'm not going to be trading. Let me pay for my... Well, that's coming down. Let's see if it's going to come down there. Again, it's 17. Let me draw a line there. $17,379. 17,379.00. Oops. Okay. So there's the line right there. Right there. Close to the extension. Down on the 5-minute. Again, usually the target is a 1.25 here when this is going down. We break the low here. Getting close to that. Look at that. We were at close to 4% down. Again, it gets a 1.25. Let's see if it bounces off from here. Let me see if I can show you where my trade. Basically, 2 quick trades. I'll show you. Yeah, look at this. It's trying to get down there. So here. So buy account. Let me see here. This is 70. So basically, there it is. Two winners, 1485. Averaging, let me see. I took 1, 2, 3 trades. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 trades, 1485. So my total for today right now is around at 4,070. That's my day. Where did I enter the trade here? Let's look at this chart. Right before the was in the already like 10:15 or something, but I saw it Again, this is a 64 by 16 because the price is moving fast on the 20 by 4. So I had to adjust this. And if I'm going to show you where my entries are, oh, does this really go past here? There we are. Yeah. So right here, we had one there, hit the target. Then I think I got another one there. Oh, yeah, another one here, hit the target. That's two. Another one here, hit the target. That was it. Very slow. Again, you can see the down trend, getting it right at the, the 21 EMA here. So, yeah. And that was prior to 10:15, I believe, right? It's pretty early. Yeah, 9:44. I saw that and I just took it. So here we are. You can hear sellers coming in. Yeah, there it is. We're going to be hitting that 1.25. That'd have been a great trade if I had something to trade with. But the thing is, right here, coming back, you see that. You're going to get entered right there. Even here. Once you broke that, you're going to just kept on going all the way down to 1.25. If you entered down here when it broke right here, that would have been a great trade right there. We're going down to the 1.25 extension. That's at least a $2,535 trade per contract. Man, that's actually a good trade. You're just following this, you're getting lower lows, lower highs. Again, this is in a 64-16 chart. I usually have this chart during the New York session, but it depends on the volatility of the New York session. It's like not right now. I like it because it slows down the market. For me, it slows it down instead of looking at the 20 by 4. The 20 by 4 right now, I think in the beginning it was pretty fast. So I switched over to 64-16. Just longer and bigger candles. I should say longer candles. You gotta be really careful where your stop is. Yeah, here's gonna try to. We still have room here to bounce off here, come back down. Because actually, there's still a lower high, right? Bouncing off the mid band here and coming right down to test the 1.25. Guys, have any questions right now? Yeah, I traded. That's what I just did. I know Ishi. Have you been watching? I made 1,400 right there, 1,485. That hit my goal on 150K. I'm trading two 150K accounts, and hopefully, God willing, I'll be able to put a request for payout on by the end of Monday, and another one by. Let me see here. 4, 5, 6, 7 by the 17th or the 18th, the end of next week. So hopefully I can get payouts, 2 payouts. Yeah, I got to pay for these other ones right now. In fact, also for the wealth charts, because I have another PA. I got to pay for the PA there. So basically, I have to pay for 3 more PAs, basically, which I haven't paid yet because I've been trading these two. So let me do that. PA. Yeah, so this is on my other one. I already have 7 days. This one, this current account right here, this is my 5th day. So I got 3 more days. Today's the 5th, 6th, 7th. Yeah, by Wednesday, I can request. By the end of Wednesday, I can put a request. I'm way over. Let me see. The first one, my buffer is around 7,000. I'm already at 9,700 profit. And this one, I'm already into 7,500 in profit. So I'm already past the buffer. I just have to trade the remaining days. Oh, I do have a, wait, but that has to be micros. See, there it is. Again, bouncing off the mid band. Let's see, I'm going to try to test right here to get down here, right? We're already at 4% down. Look at that. Yeah, I won't pay for these other ones until maybe on Monday. Unless I decide to trade it. Yeah, let me see. Well, I'm not gonna, we're already down 4%. I don't want to be risking it. All of a sudden I get locked out because of the limit, the circuit breaker. We're already close to 5%. That's really close. I don't want to be trading. I'll get it locked out. I can't get out of my trade. So guys, better be wary. When it hits this 5%, I would recommend stop trading or close out your position. Probably the target, like I said, can be 1.5 because we have you see this? We have the -2 deviation down there. So here, we're close to getting it's taking its time to get down to 1.25. Now, if this breaks this high, now we may have a reversal coming up if that's the case. Potential. Let's see if it does. It can have a double top here. Again, the target is usually a 1.25, and you see where that is as the bottom of the Keltner channel. But I guess they're trying to get down up so they don't have to. Again, let's see what happens. If this produces a reversal candle down, we have a lower high, and a lower high usually produces a lower low. Let's see what happens there. Is there something here I can trade? I'm looking at my thing here. Oh, I think I do have one here. Is that still active? Oh, that's out. Okay. 50K. Okay, I see one, 254. Let's see if we can trade that right now. This is an eval. 254. There we are. So let's see if we can trade this.
Order filled.
Ooh. Oh, I have 2 contracts? Unbelievable. I should just have one. Well, I'll leave it the way it is right now. Just go back up. There it is.
Target filled.
1,500 on that. Let me see where I'm at here right now with that account. This is a 50K. Target is 3,000. What is that? 254. Yep. 254. Okay. So I have a ways. Because I was down in that one. I think I just brought that out, brought that back to life. I'm at 51, 296 in this one. So I just need another maybe good 1,000. Let's see where this is going to go. Like I said, this may be going down here. You know, just maybe, I just have to plan, the entry where the entry is. Right now, I wouldn't want to be entering it because it may pull back, especially on these 64.16s. So I'm not going to wait. I'm going to wait till we have a good pullback and enter with 2 contracts again. Again, this is a PA, so there's no restrictions. Look at that. Could have had it. Again, we're hugging this bottom Keltner right now, but the target is down here. Again, look at this. We're close to 5%, and there's nothing. This is just bringing it down. At least it's not a PA. This is a more of a. This is just coming down. Let's take this.
Order filled.
Let's go for the 5 point right there. Let's see if we can get that. Sellers stop coming in. Let's see if we can come down. I just need 2,000. I'll get another EPA. Let me see. You gotta watch this closely. It may bounce off. Come on. Ugh. Yeah, see, it's bouncing off that level. Some buyers coming in. Okay, still got a profit. I'm at 1835. I'll take that. But watch it go. No. Oh man. See, I had my tight two stop. I had my stop too tight. There it is. I would have had my 2,000. That's why I don't like being out here, especially now we're outside of the lower band here. So that's really strong momentum to the downside. Now, you may want to see, this is, like I said, this is heading down there. We're at close to 5%. Man, I should have just kept that, you know what. I could have passed another eval. Yeah, this is going down for the -2 deviation right here. Once it gets down past here, we're going to be looking at it. We're already at 5%. There's dangerous waters here. There's no moment. There's nothing to try to stop this momentum to the downside.
Order filled.
There.
Target filled.
Another 500. Another 700 here.
Order filled. Target filled.
There it is. Let me check my apex. Yeah, I'm still down. I need less than $200, and I'll get it. So let me see. Look at this. It's going to 5%. Let me see if I can pass it before it starts getting down. Hey, look at this. We're below the -2 deviation right now. It's dangerous right here. It might pull back up, so I don't want to take a trade. But it's going down. Let's
Order
see.
filled.
See? So I'm talking
Stop
about.
filled.
Okay, so that got me back. So let me see. I'm going to go this way.
Order filled.
Come on, hit my target. There we are. Come on, hit it. There we are.
Target filled.
Is that enough? 3,022. 70. Nope, not yet. I just got back what I lost. Basically, that's what it is.
Order filled. Target filled.
That should be enough. Yep, I passed it. So there it is. Past that, again, we saw when it hit there at the -2. Now it's going up, which is good. Most likely, if this continues going up, let's try to get up here and eventually get up. You know, it's gonna probably test a VWAP. So at least we didn't hit that 5. Again, we're close there. Just as long as it comes back and continues going up. So I passed another 50K. So that's it. I'm done. I just had to find. Like I said, I found that. I didn't have to pay anymore. So yeah. Okay. Let me show you that. Right there, 3,500. That's a 50K. So right now I'm made for the day today. Right here. So today I made 7,635 for today. 3 different accounts, 2 PAs and 1 eval that I just passed. That eval, it took me, I think, how many trades? Let me see here. 3 trades, 4 trades, I think. Right there. So basically, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. 35, 65, 7 trades. Okay, guys. Hopefully, you guys, if you guys want to still, eventually this looks like it's going up. Most likely, it's going to try to test the VWAP up here, close to that VWAP, or even try to get it up to the high. Again, it depends on what they're going to do here at the IB mid. If they're going to hit there and come back down, but most likely they will try to come back down and then come back up. Hopefully, so we're now at 4.37. Hopefully, this continues going up to avoid the circuit breaker. Any questions, guys? None. Not anyone. Not a lot of people watching. That's fine. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Ish, are you still here, or you must have left? Hopefully you green today, Ish. Oh, Ivan's here. Good night. How'd you do? Did you? Oh, you must have quit. Okay. So that's it. Enjoy your weekend, Ivan. Ish, if you're still here, enjoy your weekend as well. Stay safe. God bless. And all this right here that you're seeing is basically all by His grace. Enjoy your weekend, Ivan. Okay. Keep on practicing. You'll get it. But I think you're doing pretty good. You're doing pretty good. Okay. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.